In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar, a comprehensive guide for complete beginners. Google Calendar is an incredibly useful tool for organizing your time and keeping track of both personal and professional commitments. Let's dive in and get started. First, let's head over to Google Calendar by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to calendar.google.com. Once you are there, you will be faced with a clean, intuitive interface. You'll notice different views at your disposal, day, week, or month. Selecting the right view can really help you get the perspective you're aiming for when planning your schedule. Let's pick the view that works best for you based on what you need to see. Now take a look at the grid. This is where you'll choose the specific day, week, or month you want to add an event to. Once you've decided on a time frame, it's time to bring your event to life. Click on the time slot that you want to schedule something for. You'll be greeted with a prompt to fill in your event details. The first thing you want to do is add a title to your event. This could be as basic or as detailed as you like, but remember to make it descriptive enough so you can easily identify it at a glance later on. After naming your event, it's time to adjust the time if needed. You can either stick with the default option or enter specific start and end times that precisely suit your needs. Moving down the list, there's an opportunity to add any additional details regarding the event. This could include a meeting agenda, links to video calls, or even location details. This section is a free space for any information that you need to associate with your event. Once you're satisfied with all the details, you'll want to make sure to save your event. Look for the Save button, generally located at the top or bottom of your input area, and give it a click. Your event is now securely noted in your calendar. If your schedule requires separate calendars for better organization, creating a new calendar is a simple process. Look to the left of your screen where you should find a section labeled Other Calendars. Just next to it, click Add Other Calendars. Here you can create a new calendar. Naming and describing your calendar is essential for keeping things organized, so take a moment to think of a title and description that align with its intended use. Finally, click Create Calendar to make it official. And that's it, you've mastered the basics of Google Calendar. By taking these steps, you can now effortlessly organize your time and ensure you never miss another important event. Keep exploring Google Calendar's features to make it even more powerful for your daily needs. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.